first YouTube channel, and in this channel I would like to show you some cyber security tutorials, and along with that I will also help with some tech tutorials and some reviews and some tips and tricks for your Android mobile phones or any laptop or any tech related things. So let's get started. Without any further ado, I would like to say, before learning anything, we have to first think about its basics. So before entering into the cybersecurity world, we need to know about some of the basics of the cybersecurity. Like, what's a hacker? How he performs his duty? Or is it legal? Or is it illegal? We have to come upon some of the basics, and then we shall proceed to the real cybersecurity world. So let's get started with the introduction to SNL.
So let's get started with the first type of hacker. The first type of hacker is a white hat hacker. You must be thinking what a white hat hacker must be. White hat hackers are the real, reasonable and legitimate hackers who work for the government, and they don't just burst into some security for their own reasons. They help the government for any crime situations or take out some data for the government, and it's a legitimate work. The second one is a black hat hacker, and these are the most dangerous ones in the world of cybersecurity. They may be beside you, they may be one of your family members, they may be just crossing over you in some pedestrian. So we don't exactly know where a black hat hacker lives or what does he do for a living. But these black hat hackers just burst into some security for their own reasons and for fun, or sometimes they just do it for some social purpose, which the government doesn't do. The fourth one, they are known as the script kiddies. I would like to say about something about the script kiddies. It may be a dangerous type of a field for a script kiddie to enter the cybersecurity field. So you must be thinking what a script kiddie means. They basically copy the script of some known hackers and just paste it to run the program and get their desired result. They don't have the basics of what I am now teaching you. They don't have these basics. They just copy these scripts, paste them in a computer and get the results out of them. They cannot even make their own programs. They cannot even make their own bug hunting programs or any of this type of programs. The fifth one, these are known as the green hat hackers. They are the amateurs of the hacking world, but they can be considered as newbies or script kiddies with a purpose. They like to learn about the cyber world. Unlike script kiddies, they just only copy paste the things, but these green hat hackers learn. But at first, they just copy the script, understand it and paste it to run a program. Sixth type of hacker is known as a blue hat hacker. These hackers are most common and they just perform the crime unknowingly. They are a type of a script kiddie, you may know. They just copy the script and paste it to just harm another guy who makes them angry. It's their main purpose. Seventh type of hacker. These are the red hat hackers. Now you must be thinking there are a lot of hackers, but these red hat hackers are the most important of all. They are especially hackers who attack these black hat hackers and stop them from attacking or taking out any data from a known individual or threatening the personal data or personal life of an individual. The eighth type of hackers are the state-sponsored hackers. They are basically hired by the government to penetrate or analyze the other governments to stay at the top of the line. Ninth type of hacker is a hacktivist. Hacktivist can be an individual or a group of hackers who work for the welfare of the society, and they believe if they do something illegal or legal in the world of cyber world, they may bring about attention of the government and help them change the social displeasure or whatever you may be thinking about the social inaccuracies in their own way. The last is a malicious insider or a whistleblower. This may be a company employee who has a grudge on the company or a government employee who is hired by the company to remove his rival gang and open the trade secrets of the other companies who are competing with him in the marketing strategies. So, these were the type of hackers you may come across in your daily world, but some of these hackers never introduce themselves to the real world and are still unknown. To know more about these hackers or to learn something about hacking, you must continue with my video. I will be uploading videos soon about real practical knowledge of cybersecurity and ethical hacking. So, I hope you guys have understood what a hacker is and how many type of hackers are there.
Imaginary